Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Executive Director of the Fair Trading Commission, David Miller, says that more than 6,000 complaints have been lodged in relation to erroneous credit reports since 2023. This is 100% more than the number of complaints received 5 years earlier. The FTC revealed that most of these complaints by consumers were in relation to inaccurate, outdated, or incomplete information, and that some of these credit reports are not user-friendly or easily understood, while stressing that the dispute resolution process is too slow and not transparent. The Commission is therefore recommending that the country moves towards a centralized credit information sharing system, as the exclusive sharing of data with one or the two firms which control the industry makes it difficult for others to enter the industry. The Ministry of Tourism is reporting a major increase in the number of Airbnb visitors to Jamaica from 59,500 in 2017 to 800,000 in 2024, generating earnings of US $32 million. This accounted for only 19% of the 4.3 million visitors to the island last year. Earnings from Airbnb visitors amounted to 1.8% of the total US $1.76 billion earned by the tourism sector last year. For the trading period ending July 8, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,518,366 units traded, representing 41.13% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,430,773 units traded, representing 13.02% of market sales volume. Caribbean financial conglomerate JMMB Group Limited 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares with 603,691 units traded, representing 5.50% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 8, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $59.02 million purchased and US $50.23 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.02 per dollar, selling the US at $161.05 and buying the US at $158.90. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders $1.23 per transaction, with selling at $117.58 and buying at $116.42. The British pound yielded forex traders $2 in profits, with selling at $218.98 and buying at $211.59. For our credit report tip of the day, buying real estate doesn't start with a mortgage. It starts with preparation. From land survey to architectural plans and maybe even zoning approval, there's a series of upfront costs that must be handled before lenders even look at your application. Having a strong credit score gives you the financial tools to take action early, cover these expenses confidently, and position yourself as a serious buyer from day one. Now, when you're building something from nothing and moving from financial recovery to resilience, if you've been avoiding your finances because it feels too tense or too late, today is the day to shift that energy. As a professional woman of the age of 45, you already have the wisdom, the grit, and the experience. Now it's time to pair that with structure, beauty, and heart-centered tools that make money tracking feel empowering, not punishing. Let's break the cycle of stress and step into action with practical, soulful ways to manage your money with grace. Bless your income, no matter the size. Notice who or what the spending supported, and then reflect, what abundance did this purchase create? And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.